So I know I ain't freaking what you call it? Oh my god. This is my bag in the background. And my mirror. I just ain't posting all the time because I didn't have no phone. But as you can see, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. So you know, I got the oh, this one is so beautiful. Hold on. It is beautiful. Like, I know y'all see this. I know y'all see this. Like, this is so beautiful. So I come with the phone, of course. Okay. And then the little pamphlet or whatnot. Y'all know what come in a pamphlet. You know, this little thingy. I never used that before. The box to the charger. The earplugs. And the charger. Period. Charger, period. Yeah, I'm so happy because my other phone is broke. Like, so let me cut this guy on. It's getting on. This is a crying moment. I should get my iPad. That's what I should get. And had to bring this guy out. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Yes, girl. Hey. Hey, girl. Hello. Okay, let me stop playing. I brought my iPad out because it do this. Like, it sets up from the iPad. So, that's why I'm doing that. But I'm waiting on them to activate my phone. Period. Like I was so quick to get a phone that I had the case here before the phone was here. Like, and I'm so dead serious. Like, the case was here before the phone. I'm gonna set up Face ID because I'm a Face ID type of person. So, don't play with me. Okay, now setting up my Apple ID, which, yeah, they're doing this together. I have to get a screen protector, but I have the case already because, of course, I stay prepared. You can't never fold. You just can't. You just can't never fold because when you drop your phone, it's done. And you know how much the upgrade costs? Are you kidding me? Yeah, I'm not that rich to own, so I lease. I can't. People be flexing like they buy stuff. No, baby. I'm not even finna flex with you. I leased it. This is leased. I can't even flex because money don't grow on trees. People have to work. And people ain't rich. People is me. Okay? People is me. Move data from Android. Are you kidding me? Oh, this is called stress. It's called stress. Okay, right now I'm setting up Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? How's the Hey Siri, set a time. Oh, my bad. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Hey, I need some. This is gonna take forever. Why did I choose that? Really pick something different. Can I pick something different? I paired it off because I don't want to restore. I have to do this over again because I turned it. I'm doing it over because I turned it off. So I mean, period. Don't play with us. Don't play with us. Tell them don't play with us. Don't play with us. Don't play with us. Period. Like you see.
I see 2020, so I really think it's dangerous. Would y'all like a sandwich?
Some chicken?
A sandwich like that?
You want some chicken?